Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are present: a compatible Python version, a running MySQL server, and Workbench for schema view. Install the connector now so code can talk to the server. Use pip install MySQL connector Python for pure Python or MySQL client for C bindings. Next, create or confirm a DB user with password and permissions in Workbench. This credential is required for your connection string. Once done, note host, port, database name, user, and password because you'll use them in your next step code. Now write the Python file that opens the connection and executes queries. Import MySQL connector or the chosen client library, then construct a params dict with host, port, database, user, and password. This keeps credentials organized and easy to change. Use try and except to catch operational error or interface error so your script fails gracefully. Open the connection, acquire a cursor, run a simple, select one or list tables to verify handshake, fetch results, and finally close cursor and connection to release resources. Finish by integrating the connection into your app with context management or a connection pool for reliability and performance. Make sure to parameterize queries to avoid injection and commit when modifying data. If you hit errors, first confirm Workbench can connect with the same credentials. This isolates Python. If Workbench works but Python fails, check firewall, port, and MySQL bind address or grant the user correct host permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: restart MySQL after config changes and retest connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.